you know the backstory, you know that I was scheduled for knee replacement surgery on July 3rd. Karma does its thing. Rescheduled because my potassium level was too low for September 3rd. That's just right around the corner. I'm 7 days away. I've been doing all the things. Got my potassium level checked last week with my primary, and everything was good. I'm nervous. I'm real nervous, but you know what I'm saying? I'm ready. I'm ready. I have prepared myself. I got all the things done here. Prepping meals this coming weekend. So, I can get around it because, what I'm saying? Like, I don't have children. Wasn't blessed with children. But, this is something that I've been looking forward to for a long time. And I'm about to do it. So I ain't scared because, you know what I'm saying? Like, I know God got me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm his child. But I'm nervous about it. Just because it's something that I've never ventured into before. But knee replacement surgery is loading. Tomorrow morning, I go to what they call joint camp. It's the equivalent to boot camp, I guess, when you're getting into the Army or something like that. But it's joint camp. I'm going to meet my anesthesiologist. I'm going to go take my medications so they can let me know what not to take. I just want y'all to pray for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, wherever 1 and 2 agree. But it's going to be good. And I'm just praying that my recovery will be good. Because I'm not used to just staying stagnant. I'm always on the move. But you know what I'm saying? This is something that I've been wanting for myself for a long time. I'm going to treat myself. Not cheat myself. Y'all stay tuned. From here on, I'm going to do the 7-day countdown. I want to do 30. But I said, nah, that's too long. People ain't going to stay with me that long. But I'm going to do the 7-day countdown. If y'all want to know what I got to make this recovery time better, I'm going to show that. I'm going to take it, if they allow me to take my phone in the boot camp, I'm going to do that. Lab work, I'm going to do that. But, who knows? There are these privacy things where sometimes you just can't show things. But stay with me, y'all. 7 days away and counting. Girl about to get herself together so she can get back traveling again. And if you want to travel with me, let me know. It ain't nothing but God. And why y'all attention span so short? Like, you can't stay with me for 3 minutes? What? I'm not finna do. I talk too much to do a 60-second video. Hang in there. You'll love it.